Hey guys, so the Super Bowl is over. I wanted to give you a little taste of one of the keys that's coming up in the next six keys of new client acquisition that is going to take place this Sunday. So below, I'm going to try to put a link for the Jot form to sign up. It will be only up to 25 spaces available. This is free a free workshop where we go over the six keys of new client acquisition, funnels, inside, outside. We'll go through all that. The main one that's gotten the most attention, I think, from the feedback across the board is the 2020 cards. They seem to be doing really well. One of the things we talk about is social media, and certainly Facebook is probably the number one there. And I wanted to give you a couple of tips here, real quick, as a little teaser as some of the stuff we talk about. So this image was put up and received 115 comments within 3 days. And I made a prediction when I put it on the Vetrepreneur Facebook page that we were going to talk about this and it was going to make a lot of impact. What do you notice about this post that would make it attractive for engagement? I'm going to give you about 10 more seconds to just think about it. And what you're going to find is if you're a veterinarian, many of the things that attracts attention and involves engagement on your social media pages will not make a lot of sense to us because we're a little bit far removed from it. We are extremely used to seeing cats that have, how many toes is that? That's the back foot, by the way. This was actually quite dramatic. So the first thing, number one, is original content. If it comes from your practice, not a canned thing, it already gives you an advantage. This is your clients. They want to see your patients. This is at our hospital. This is a new patient. This is a 5-month-old, 9 pound. It tells you it's pretty big. Look at these ears. So from the start, this image, one, it's original and it draws attention. It is going to be something that they're going to stop the scroll. It's going to look a little different. It can be the cutest thing ever, or it can be something that is out of order, doesn't look like the norm. Those ears draw my attention first. The second thing is we ask a question. What is the breed? And what is the term for his feet? So when they read that, it's short. There's only 3 lines. 5 months old, 8.9 pounds. Wow, that seems big. Look at those ears. That stops me. What's the breed? There's a breed of cat. Remember, these are clients. These are not veterinarians that we're trying to get engaged. And then, ooh, wow, what is that with the feet? Plus, you have questions. When you put questions that people will know some breed of cat, they almost can't help, even veterinarians, they can't help typing in there something. And then, oh, what is that with the feet? Ah, now you know polydactyly like that, but that is a new, unique thing. So sure enough, 115 comments. One other thing that's important about the 115 comments in 3 days, probably 20 of them were mine because when a comment hit, oh, I think that is a Norwegian forest cat. Oh, so close. Or what is the name for the extra toes? Whatever they say, I put a little something. It keeps it going and it affects the whatever they're called, algorithms for the Facebook or whatever. Why is that important? Because the more that occurs with that post, the more individuals are going to see it, the more they're going to share it with your 900 people on your Facebook page. We'll start talking about it. It will get pushed out to more people in your group. Then they will comment on it. It will show up in their own groups. They will notice and it'll be, where did that come from? Wow, that's pretty interesting. Wonder if they have something else interesting, and they will come to your page. The other thing that happens in this particular case is this is a new client. So we talk about also when that new client is there, when I get a assistant, or even if I take this photo and I'm over the moon about, hey, this is your cat. That's so cool. Look at this. Do you mind? I need your permission. Do you mind if I put this on our Facebook page for the hospital? Well, they're not going to mind that. You're advertising their kitten. They're like over the moon. The doctor of the place loves me, and I'm brand new. Number two, can I tag you? And you should have printed out a QR code at your front desk. We have them. Here's our Facebook page. We are falling behind on telling people to do it when they're leaving, because we don't check out that way anymore. I need to maybe change that and put it on our inside our exam rooms now, because that's where we check out. But have the QR code. Link up to this. Don't give them this picture. They need to get it down off of the Facebook page. Now, they become a member of the Facebook page. Why is that important? Well, you will get introduced to Juju. And if you don't know who Juju is, I had no clue who Juju was, but Juju is a client of ours. And I'll just leave it right there. But you want to get on his page if he's a client of yours. If he sees anything, it's going to kind of explode if he reposts it or comments on it or anything like that. But I'll leave it there for now. There's more to come. There's a lot more information on the social side that can help with some of these things. And you will begin to notice what is occurring right in front of you. I need to capture this. This is going to grow my social media presence. And guess what this costs from a Facebook ad? Zero. You get more exposure inside, outside, funnels. There's lots of good stuff. I will be able to get through it in an hour because I've done this now 3 times and starting to get it toned down to where it needs to be. But this is a major part that people like, along with the super spreaders, the 2020 cards, the inside funnels, a little bit about some holiday stuff we're doing. One last thing I'll ask you. Do you have an original post up for your clients to send you photos of their pets on your Facebook page with something to do with Valentine's Day, which is Friday? Show us a cute picture of your favorite dressed up dog or cat for Valentine's Day, and have the clients send you their own photos of their pets for Valentine's Day. Let's celebrate your pet for Valentine's Day. Figure out how to get engagement anytime there is a holiday. Getting photos from your folks onto your place. A voting thing we did for Halloween is another thing we talk about. But that's it for now. If you want more, you have to come do the training, do the workshop. I will leave the link below or give you direction on how to get there.